Welcome or welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy, cooking and baking made easy. This week is not about a recipe but some tips. I'm going to show you how to create a paper piping bag, also called a cornet in French. This little piece of equipment that you can create at home will help you to make beautiful little garnishes and decorations for your cakes, your dessert or your plates. That's what I use to plate, and that's what I use to make my nice little filigrees on my cake. So before we start, make sure you subscribe, change your notification bell settings as well, give me a like, and there won't be any recipe as such, but I'll put a photo step-by-step recipe on my website at cookingwithfrenchy.com. So see you just after this. All you need to have for this little techniques and tip, it's a nice piece of silicone paper, some good quality silicone paper, baking proof paper, nice and silky. And what I'm going to do with my knife is to cut a square piece. You could fold it and cut it as well, either with scissors if you prefer. I'm just going to aim for the edge here and all the way to the other edge, straight down. And like this, from the square I have two nice triangles. I'm going to keep one triangle. This must be very well cut edge and very sharp. If it's a little bit dented, you will have difficulty to slide. Always have the longest edge away from you. So with one corner of my triangle, one angle, I'm going to bring this to this point. So I grab the paper, roll it until this edge. So if you're looking like this here, just this corner, again, this corner, roll it inside to this edge. And here you got a point. The point is here. With this one, I'm grabbing this and I just roll it around. And as you can see, as I roll it around, I tense the paper and it's come back to here. So I grab with my both hand, and here I just slide the paper to make it tight. Once you have a nice little point, you can grab it. Just like that. So again, have the longest edge away from you, center of your triangle, grab the piece of paper, roll it around, and bring it to this corner of your triangle, and then this one, you just roll it. So you grab the piece here, roll it around and slide it until it comes back here at the back. Grab it together, make sure you slide to get a pointy piping bag, and just this angle to tighten it up. And voila! Your paper piping bag ready to get some chocolate, fruit, coulis, sauce to do little dots, filigree, plating, decorating your plates. So melt your chocolate in a microwave, little burst of 20 seconds. Here I'm using some cooking chocolate. So make sure that it's well melted and fluid, not too hot, and also free of little lumps. Now that my chocolate is melted, I'm going to grab one of my paper cornet. Take a bit of chocolate it into the piping paper bag. Never overfill it, about halfway through it's always a good indication. And look for the seam. Always lock against the opposite way of the seam. It will remain the paper tense, therefore no burst of chocolate coming on the side. So put that away. Now I can see a bit of chocolate coming out, that's good. And with my scissors, I'm gonna decide which thickness I want the cut. So how thick I want the chocolate to fall out. That's about the thickness I like. So here we are. Place a little piece of either plastic or silicone paper in front of you. So you could create basic decoration just by doing a little swirl. Another one I like is a zig and zag. Nice and easy. That one is for the musos. Always just take your time, breathe, feel the flow of your piping bag and let it drop. This one is also a popular one. Little loop, bigger loop, and a bigger one, and a larger one, a bit like a mussel shell. Bigger loop, bigger loop, another bigger loop, and go a little bit higher. Very popular one, a little bit more technical, this one too. Up and down, and here I'm going to go up again to the right, another loop. Those one are a little bit more advanced. Like everything, practice makes it perfect. The beauty with chocolate, it's you let it set, put it back in a container, you melt it, and it's ready to go again. So, a little bit more involved, but nice little garnishes for desserts or cakes. And one last one, very easy and popular, and even the kid can do. Create a dot, 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 dots, little dots like this. Nice and fun. Get the kids onto it, your finger. Gonna give a bit of effect. And just voila. Let it set in the fridge for about 5 minutes if you want. If it's cold in your kitchen, just leave it there for 10-15 minutes. It will set, and then you just peel them off nicely and put them on your desserts. And here we are, nice little arrow of chocolate garnish. Oh. Check this out. And this one, pretty shiny. So I hope you enjoyed this video with 6 different little garnish you can make with a paper piping bag.